How are you, Hina?
I am fine. I am good.
So today we are here to deliver the conversation. I am Sana Shahani. She is my best friend, Hina Rathore. So I ask you question.
Walaikum salam. I am good. I have asked that your question. Okay, what's it?
What do you like to cook, eat?
Eat, okay. I like to eat sweets, chocolate, cakes,
Wow.
and especially halwa of the carrot. It's very yummy. I like more and more spicy things.
I do not like chocolate
Why?
and cake. I also like halwa. Halwa is very
Oh.
interesting and delicious.
Oh, I think that girl likes more and more chocolates.
Yes, I know that.
Yeah.
What do you like to drink?
Oh, I like to drink juice of the mango and
Wow.
coloring of the sting.
I also like it.
Yeah.
What would do you like to eat for breakfast?
I like to eat breakfast. You know, the more people like heavy and heavy breakfast.
Yes.
But I don't like the heavy breakfast. But I liked simply the tea and biscuits.
Yes,
That's
I
it.
also like it.
Okay.
So what you like to sandwich?
Yeah, I like sandwich more and more spicy. Especially the child, especially children like it.
Oh,
Okay.
my little brother like it also.
Okay.
Do you eat healthy food?
No, I'm not eat healthy food, but it's very important of the human beings. It's very, but we all of not understand why it's important
Okay.
of the human.
Okay. Do you mostly cook breakfast, dinner, lunch, or?
Yes, I cooked that dinner and breakfast, but I did not do the lunch. I like cooking, but I'm not good cooker. but my sister, she is very good cooker, and my family like for his cooking, and I'm also like that too.
Okay. Do you like to watch cooking how on TV? Watch once.
Yes, I like to watch on show of the TV that the Master Chef Kitchen ke
Okay.
Superstar. It's very old
Good.
show. Okay.
So what foods do you like think or very difficult to cook?
Yeah, biryani. It's very difficult.
No, it is easy.
No, it's very difficult. You know the my problem that sometime the water is low and sometimes the chilies is high. So that I think that
It
is
has happened
it's
with
very
me. It is not matter enough.
yeah okay.
So who cleans after cooking in your home?
My, I'm clean that because
Wow.
yeah
You clean it?
yeah
So, really?
yes
Wow. Who is the best chief? You know that?
yes I know that the Kokab Khawaja is the best cook chief of the
Yes, good.
okay.
Hina, you give a funny answer. I really enjoy. So it okay.
Okay. Jayo, kamusta?